Sometimes you may find your USB drive has a problem. The best way to fix them is using commanding prompt. You can start by pressing window key plus R, then type CMD, press enter. This will open commanding prompt for you. Then type diskpart, press enter. This will ask you to open diskpart program. Then press yes. And this is commanding line interface. Then here you can type list disk. I type list space disk. I press enter. You can see there's a disk 0 and disk 1. The disk 0 is hard disk present in my computer, and disk 1 is a USB drive I just connected to my computer. So I need to format this USB, which is 29 GBs. Then I'll type select space disk space 1. I'll press enter. You can see the message here, disk 1 is now selected disk. So I'm going to clean it. So I type clean. I press enter. You can see the message here, diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. So next I'll create my disk as partition primal. So I'll type create partition primal. I'll press enter. You can see the message here, diskpart succeeded in creating the specified partition. Then now I'm going to format my USB. So I will type format FS. Then I will type the format style I want my USB to be formatted. Then I'll type NTFS, which is the short term of New Technology File System. I'll press enter. I can wait here my disk to be formatted. You can see it's 0%. So I'm waiting a little, a couple of minutes, for my disk to complete formatted. And I'm successful formatted my USB drive, and I can use it in other tasks. And if my USB was have some problem, I'm sure this process must fix it completely, and you can continue to use your USB as usual. And when you finish this, you just type exit, and here I can type exit into